Mrs. DiLaurentis wasn't really but when my mother on the show buried me, that was creepy.
That must have been terrifying.
That was terrifying. The first time you saw anything of Alison being buried was like just her hand coming out of the grave. I was covered in dirt, like teeth, everything. Second time was when Mrs. Grunwald pulled me out of the grave. That was even worse. And then, of course, they literally dug a 6-foot grave, put me in it, and started pouring dirt over me. It was freezing, and there was this like really weird, cold sap dripping on my shoulder. Being buried alive is not fun. I don't recommend it.